Now I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool trick for how you can make stickers on your iPhone 15 running iOS 17 and above. And for this example, I'm going to be using the iPhone 15 Plus. And all you got to do here is just go into your messages, click on a message you have going, and what you want to do here is click the plus icon in the left-hand corner. Now, when you do that, you're going to see the third option down. It's going to say stickers. I'm going to hold this up to the camera so you guys can see really close. Now, right now it says I have no recent stickers. But if we go to the next option over, you're going to see there's a little blue icon where it says new sticker. So we want to tap this. And the next thing we want to do here is pick, a picture we have on our iPhone. I'm going to click on this little Fallout icon. And when you click on whatever picture you want, it's going to actually get rid of the background automatically for you. So you're going to click add sticker. And now when you tap on it, it's going to have the option to add an effect. So if you want to add an effect, you can do that. There's a few different options in here, but I'm going to go ahead and just click on it. And when I click on it, you can see it's going to add that sticker to whatever conversation you're in. Now I'm going to do one more example. So let's go back in here and click the plus icon. We'll go with this one right here. We're going to click add sticker, and then we're going to add an effect. And like I said, you've got original, you've got outline, comic, puffy, and shiny. The comic one actually is pretty cool. So I'm going to click done here. And once again, now we've got another sticker. So you can kind of just keep doing these over and over again if you want to add a bunch of them. But, this is cool. Definitely a cool way to, customize things a little bit for conversations you're in for sure. And it's fun to do. If you want to get rid of a sticker, you would just kind of just tap on it. You can click delete. It'll get rid of it. And, you can do the process over. You just keep adding more and more of them. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I would also like to point out you can get on our tech newsletter where we send out one email a week on only the good stuff directly below in the description. As always, thanks for watching this, guys, and we'll see y'all in the next video.